Ever wonder what it's like to get an ultra-fast delivery by drone? Here's how Prime Air makes it happen. At checkout, you'll be able to review your drone delivery spot when you select the drone delivery option. If multiple delivery spots are available, you can select your preferred spot. This may be in the front, side, or backyard. The drone will descend, release the package, and fly away. To ensure a successful delivery, clear out any obstacles within the delivery area. Think of the delivery area as the size of a parking space. You know, cars, bikes, trampolines, basketball hoops, even friendly pets. But hey, life is hectic and stuff happens. Or there's things out of your control, like permanent objects. Or harsh weather keeping the drones from flying. If there's an issue, we'll provide status updates and then deliver your package the same day using the next fastest delivery method. Whether it's by air or ground, we're here to bring you what you need.